Pedro trying to turn away and get Brighton going, but he's lost it, and Savinho's onto it, and now with Haaland, and now with Marmoush, real chance for City. Marmoush brought down, penalty kick, no doubt about it. Haaland scores, and it's 100 goal involvements for Erling Haaland in Premier League football, and he's done it in double quick time in just 94 matches, and he's put City in front. Turnovers seem to be the key for both sides, and is that a foul by Nico on Ruta? It is. Free kick to Brighton. It's probably going to be Estupiñán. It is, and he scores off the inside of the post. It's 1-1. It's his first goal of the season. They've lost it. Again, City win it back. Here's Marmoush. Great hit! Omar Marmoush! Hat-trick against Newcastle. Scores now against Brighton. And just before half-time, City are back in front again. Estupiñán with the corner. Webster unchallenged. Husherwood hits it. Oh, it's gone in. It must be an own goal, I think, because Hinshelwood's shot was going wide, and Khusanov sadly will get the credit. Well, that's the end of a pulsating match. Chances for both sides to win it, neither could. 2-2. What a game.